Good morning, students. This is soil, chapter 9, last part 8. In this chapter, today's topic is soil pollution. First of all, you must have heard the name pollution and you know about pollution. Today we will talk about soil pollution, means land pollution. There are many types of pollution: soil pollution or land pollution, water pollution, air pollution, and noise pollution. Soil pollution is one of them. Soil is one of the most valuable natural resources. It can be polluted by various means, including careless human activities, or you can say it is done by humans. It is our duty to adopt necessary measurements to control soil pollution. We do it, we have to remove it. So, let's talk about sources of soil pollution, means how soil is polluted. First of all, excessive use of chemicals in the form of pesticides used by the farmers to kill the pest, means insect. Fertilizer to grow more and more plants, and irrigation. Or weedicides used to kill the weeds. जो unnecessary plants होते हैं, that is called weeds. To kill weeds is that chemicals are called weedicides, which get accumulated in the soil. The excess of these things, where it will go? It will go in the soil naturally. Second, improper dumping of polythene bags, means plastics. You eat Lays, chocolates, and the plastic wrapper, you just throw it away. These are polythene bags, garbage, sewage waste, all we dump in the soil. फेंक देते हैं ना उठा के. Acid rain and effluent from factories, mines, and industries. Acid rain, you should know, many gases. We use black smoke, white smoke. We see car moving with white smoke. Some trucks, we see black smoke evolving from them. They go up and up, and mainly they are sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide. These are harmful gases. These gases go up and react with water, the clouds, and then they make some acid. Sulfuric acid, nitric acid, hydrochloric acid. These acids then come down with water and called acid rain. Plus chemicals, the remains of the factories, mines, and industries, all are the cause of soil pollution. Okay. ऑयल स्पिल इन द ग्राउंड. अगर आपको ना ग्राउंड में बहुत ज़्यादा ऑयल स्पिल्स कर जाता है, मतलब फैल जाता है, तो दैट इज ऑल्सो अ टाइप ऑफ पोल्यूशन. दीज आर ऑल द सोर्सेज ऑफ सॉइल पोल्यूशन. नाउ हाउ वी हैव टू कंट्रोल द सॉइल पोल्यूशन? फर्स्ट, defecating and passing urine in the open. Mostly male person does it in the open, must be avoided. Use toilet at home. Second, use of polythene bag should be totally banned. We are trying to ban, but we are not successful. Waste product and chemical should be treated before releasing them in the soil. अगर कोई harmful chemical है, तो first of all treat them or react them and make less harmful chemicals and then throw it in the soil. तो अगर वो less harmful है तो फिर कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है, soil में जाएगा भी जाता है तो. So first of all they should be treated. Treated का मतलब वही होता है कि उसको आप पहले लेस हार्मफुल में, या बहुत मतलब ऐसा न्यूट्रल कर दिया जाए, एंड देन रिलीज इन द सॉइल. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट सॉइल पोल्यूशन. Now key terms, definitions. Soil, the layer that is on the top of the earth's surface that is made up of minute particles of sand, mud, rock, humus, etc. This is called soil. Soil profile, the different layers of soil. As in a vertical section from top layer to parent rock is called soil profile. Soil erosion, removal of top layer of soil. This process occurs when wind or water removes the top layer of the soil. Soil pollution means contamination. Contamination का मतलब क्या होता है? गंदगी. Contamination of soil by pollutant substance. This is recall. Recall means summary. Summary of this chapter. Total आपने इस chapter में क्या पढ़ा? Soil is formed by disintegration of rocks. Disintegration means weathering, टूटना. Many factors determine the formation of soil, but the main things are formation of soil. The cause is climate of that place and composition of parent rock. वहाँ पर जैसा रॉक होगा वैसा ही सॉइल होगा. अगर ब्लैक रॉक है तो ब्लैक सॉइल होगा. एंड क्लाइमेट ऑफ द प्लेस, अगर माउंटेन पर होगा तो थिन लेयर होगा, अगर वो रिवर के किनारे होगा तो वहाँ पे मिनरल्स ज़्यादा होगा, क्योंकि वो पहाड़ से सारा बह के आ जाता है. तो ऑल दीज थिंग्स डिपेंड्स ऑन क्लाइमेट एंड कॉम्पोजिशन ऑफ पेरेंट रॉक. सॉइल प्रोफाइल डिवाइडेड इनटू 4 होराइजन: टॉप सॉइल, सब सॉइल, weathered rock and parent rock. Soil type include sandy, means types of soil: sandy, clay, loamy soil. Soil erosion occurs due to deforestation, flood, rainfall, overgrazing. Trees should be planted to prevent soil erosion. Trees should be planted to avoid everything, even global warming, heating of earth, many things. What we can say, everything can be, we can prevent our earth by afforestation. जितना प्लांट लगाओगे उतना ज़्यादा आपके अर्थ के लिए अच्छा होगा. दिस इज ऑल फॉर दिस चैप्टर सॉइल. थैंक यू सो मच.